are pleased to show you the 2017 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, USB connection, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, privacy glass, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.